Welcome back to Tag Body Art Tutorial Series. Today we are going to learn to face paint a princess crown. The first step to this design is creating a light glow as the background. We're going to use pearl white to achieve this glow effect. Using a petal sponge, we're going to gently dab on the pearl white paint onto the face. Across the forehead in a rainbow shape and gently on top of the eyes if the child's age permits. This step is optional, and if the child is young or deemed too difficult, it's not going to make too much of a difference to your princess crown. It's just going to create an extra wow factor and a nice glow light effect behind our crown. To begin our princess crown, we're going to use the pink split cake from the home palette and a flat brush. We're going to start by painting 3 cone shapes. Think of an ice cream cone upside down, or a rounded pyramid shape where the bottom is tapered to a point and the top is wider and more circular. The center cone shape is going to be the largest, with 2 smaller ones either side. To make it more simple, just think of 3 circular shapes, with the center one being the largest and 2 smaller ones either side. Moving on to the height of our crown, these next strokes need to be in line with the height of the center circle, or if not, higher. We're going to push down with our brush to create a wider stroke, bringing your brush back up to a more vertical position to create the more tapered edge of the stroke. We're then going to do an additional 2 strokes either side of these ones. Learning to use the flat brush can be more of an advanced face painting skill, so feel free to practice on the back of your hand or your forearm, learning how to create wider strokes and thinner strokes. Once the base of your crown is done, we're going to do 2 strokes either side of the eyebrows, circling around the eye. This is just going to give the appearance of the crown on the face. Think about following the line of your eyebrow and then gently circling around and under the eye. Now we're going to add some flower petals to the design. So grab your petal brush. We're going to first load it up in white, followed by dipping the tip of the brush in a dark purple. Let's add 3 flower petals to either sides of the eye. Remembering with flower petals, it's a pressing action. Now let's add 3 more petals to the center of the crown in between the eyebrows. This really helps to draw attention visually to the center of the crown. To finish our crown off, we're going to use a small round brush and some white paint. We're going to add dots to the centerpiece of our crown, creating a border, almost like we are highlighting the jewels of the crown. I like to keep my dots at the top bigger, and as they come down closer towards the bottom, I like to make them smaller. You can add dots wherever you would like. Under the eyes, on top of the flower petals, and down the bridge of the nose are always great options. Let's add a few starbursts to either sides of the upper cheeks. Starbursts are a great way to add sparkle to your design and add an instant wow factor. When doing a starburst, you're going to keep your brush in the center, flicking north, south, east, and west, always coming back to the center point before flicking to the other direction. And to finish off our design, let's add some color to the lips. I'm using Pearl Rose. If more than one person is using the contents from the home palette, I recommend using lip applicators as a more hygienic option. And there you have your princess crown. With plenty of practice, this design can be very achievable, and it can also be done very fast. And have fun.